Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to check my total watch time on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, open your browser to your phone and just search for YouTube. Now make sure to sign in and then go to YouTube Studio after signing in. And now from there, just go to channel analytics, and there you will see the views and the watch time and your subscribers. Now go to advanced option and just select for lifetime, and you will see your total watch time, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.